Alright, good morning. We're going to go over what we have for our rules for exponents. I'm going to review quickly what we did last class for day one, and then we're going to go on to the rest of them. What we're going to look at right here is we're going to look at same base, same power for the adding and subtracting monomials. The key here is to combine the like terms, but you do not change the variables in the exponents. So we look at this and we say x squared y, and we say, hey, they have the same base and the same power. Then we say 9 minus 10 because we're going to subtract the coefficient because that's what it tells us to do. 9 minus 10 is a negative 1, so we have x squared y for the first one. For the second one, we have a verbal expression, and we want to subtract 6w from 8w. So we have the 8w, and we're subtracting the 6w from it. 8 minus 6 is 2w, the same base, same power, so we can do it. Now what we're working on is a product rule. And the product rule says when you have two terms and your like terms are multiplied together, then you're actually adding their coefficients. An example of that would be h squared times h to the 6th. Now we're multiplying them out, so it would be 2 plus 6. The answer would be h to the 8th. The next one would be a squared b, a cubed b. Oh, we've got a little difference here. So we're going to separate the coefficients. So I've got negative 2 times 7. And then I've got a squared, so I have a 2. But then I have a 3, so I'm going to have 2 plus 3 because we're multiplying these two. And then I have a b to the first, which is a silent one there, plus b to the first. So the answer on this one would be negative 14, a to the 5th, b to the 2nd. Now, this is our new rule, and we'll be practicing that one right now. So stop the video, and let's go on to our monomial rules. If you have a power on the outside of a power, then you have to multiply them. So this would be a times b. An example of that would be x squared to raise to the 3rd power. So it would be x2 times 3, which would be x to the 6th. Same thing would go here. We have a silent 1 there, so it's negative 2 times 1. We always keep our coefficients doing exactly what the problem asks us to do. I'm sorry, I've got to do that different, because this is the same thing as saying negative 2 times 1 squared. And so that would be 4. And then m to the 5 times 2